Alright, Tom, we're at the White House on Folse Drive. We got the camera all the way through the sewer. I'm gonna go locate and see if this is all the way to the other side of the house. It should be where the flies are coming in. I don't see any obvious breaks of any sort, but I do see the flies inside the sewer. Kind of the end of the line. Double check coming down. Where the repair was done, under the right side of the house. The cast iron was on the left side of the house. You gotta make sure the 2-inch vent stacks going through the slab are sealed up around the slab area.